So welcome students. So in this question, given that you have an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and you have some point P which makes angle alpha and beta with the line segment joining the foci, that is PSP dash, PSS dash angle is equal to alpha, angle PS dash S is equal to beta. Now in this case, you're given 4 options, you're asked to check which of these is correct. So the first 2 options, PS plus PS dash is equal to 2A, PS minus PS dash is equal to 2B. If A is greater than B, if A is less than B. These are very standard properties of ellipses. That is, so these are in some way the definition of an ellipse. This is the definition of an ellipse. The locus of point whose sum of distance from 2 given points from the 2 foci is constant is called an ellipse. So on an ellipse, PS plus PS dash will always be equal to the length of major axis. So if A is greater than B, the length of major axis is A. If A is less than B, the length of major axis 2B. Otherwise, you can think of this as like this. So the distance of point P from S, the focal distance PS, is nothing but A minus E times the x coordinate of this is A cos theta. If I think of P as A cos theta comma B sin theta, and PS dash is nothing but A plus EX, E times A cos theta. Now if you add these two, PS plus PS dash will always be equal to 2A. If A is greater than B, if the ellipse is in the direction of X. So if the ellipse is in the direction of Y, the focal distance will be B minus E times Y coordinate, B plus E times Y coordinate. In that case also PS plus PS dash will be equal to the length of major axis. So these two are right answers. Now let us check the options in terms of the angles alpha and beta. So now as you can see in this triangle PSS dash, so one angle is alpha, the other angle is beta. So the third angle will be 180 minus of alpha plus beta. Now let us use the sine rule in this triangle. So the sine rule says that PS by sine beta is equal to PS by sine beta is equal to PS dash by sine alpha is equal to SS dash by sine of 180 minus of alpha plus beta. So this implies PS by sine beta is equal to PS dash by sine alpha is equal to SS dash can be written as 2AE. So 2AE by sine 180 minus theta is also same as sine theta. It is sine of alpha plus beta. Sine of alpha plus beta. Now what is PS plus PS dash? So PS is nothing but 2AE sine beta by sine of alpha plus beta, plus what is PS dash? Same, 2A is sine alpha, so 2A is common, plus sine alpha by sine of alpha plus beta, and PS plus PS dash as we have seen is equal to 2A if it is a horizontal parabola. So 2A and 2A gets cancelled. This implies sine of alpha plus sine of beta by sine of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by E. 1 by E. So what is sine alpha plus sine beta? 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2 divided by sine alpha plus beta can be written as 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by E. So 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2, 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 gets cancelled. This implies cos of alpha minus beta by 2 by cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 1 by E. So now if I apply component and dividendo, so what is 1 minus E by 1 plus E? 1 minus E by 1 plus E is nothing but numerator minus denominator by numerator plus denominator, that is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha plus beta by 2 divided by cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. So 1 minus E by 1 plus A is this. So again now I can apply the trigonometric formula. Cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So 1 minus E by 1 plus E is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 is sin C plus D is alpha by 2 is sin alpha by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 is minus beta by 2 by cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This minus goes inside and gets cancelled with minus. So that is equal to sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 is tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. So tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is 1 minus E by 1 plus E is also right answer. So obviously if this is right, so E is root of 1 minus B square by A square. So even if I put that, so is there any possibility to get this? So if you put E is equal to, so 1 minus E is root of B square minus A square by A by 1 plus root of B square minus A square by A. So obviously you are not getting this. So that is equal to A minus root of B square minus A square by A plus root of B square minus A square. So if I rationalize this, so what I get is, so A minus root of A square minus B square. So you have A square minus B square here. So obviously you can see that these two are not equal. So option D is wrong. So options A, B, C are right answers to this question. Thank you.